10 amazing facts about India. India is a land of incredible history, culture, and achievements. Here are 10 amazing facts about India. 1. India is the world's most populous country, with over 1.4 billion people. 2. Chess originated in India. The game was first known as Chaturanga over 1,500 years ago. 3. India has the world's largest postal network, with more than 150,000 post offices. 4. The Kumbh Mela gathering is so massive that it can be seen from space in satellite images. 5. India is home to the world's highest railway bridge, the Chenab Rail Bridge in Jammu and Kashmir. 6. The game of snakes and ladders was invented in ancient India as a tool to teach moral values. 7. India has 22 officially recognized languages and hundreds of dialects spoken across the country. 8. The Indian Railways is one of the largest employers in the world, with over 1 million employees. 9. The city of Masiram in Meghalaya is one of the wettest places on Earth, receiving enormous rainfall every year. 10. India was the first country to reach Mars on its very first attempt, with the Mars Orbiter mission in 2014. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Facts the Factory for more amazing facts.